नवीनतम शब्दों का पूर्ण रूप फुल फॉर्म्स। इंडिया, इंडियन नेशनल डेवलपमेंटल इंक्लूसिव अलायंस सिडबी, स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज डेवलपमेंट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया GSLV, जियोसिंक्रोनस सैटेलाइट लॉन्च व्हीकल PSLV, पोलर सैटेलाइट लॉन्च व्हीकल AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome, ChatGPT, Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, SARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, COVID, Coronavirus Disease, CABCAA, Citizenship Amendment Bill Act, NRC, National Register of Citizens, EVM, Electronic Voting Machine, VVPAT, Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail, NOTA, none of the above, NDA, National Democratic Alliance, UPA, United Progressive Alliance, IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, FSSA, Food Safety and Standards Authority, MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, ODF, Open Defection Free, NGT, National Green Tribunal, PETA, People of Ethical Treatment for Animals, NEFRA, National Finance Reporting Authority, RERA, Real Estate Regulatory Authority, FATF, Financial Action Task Force, UNHRC, United Nations Human Rights Council, GST, Goods and Service Tax, BHIM, Bharat Interface for Money, ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, PCS, Provincial Civil Service, BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, OP, Unified Payments Interface, NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer, IMS, Immediate Payment Service, RTGS, Real-Time Gross Settlement, IFSC, Indian Financial System Code, NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, NBFC, Non-banking financial company. NITI, National Institution for Transforming India. TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. UIDAI, Unique Identification Authority of India. ASHA, Accredited Social Health Activist. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. IMI, International Mobile Equipment Identity. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. CNG, Compressed Natural Gas. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. NRI, Non-Resident India. CRR, Cash Reserve Ratio. SLR, Statutory Liquidity Ratio. LAF, Liquidity Adjustment Facility. IPO, Initial Public Offering. NPA, Non-Performing Asset. GPS, Global Positioning System. CAG, Controller and Auditor General of India. NDRF, National Disaster Response Force. FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. CET, Common Eligibility Test. ISDN, Integrated Services Digital Network. KYC, Know Your Customer. PAN, Permanent Account Number.